Hey Remarkable Lifers, this is Craig.
And this is KJ.
And today we're going to show you something a little more fun. So when you're new in Ajijic, or you lived here for a while, sometimes it's not all about learning how to do things or how to pay your bills. Sometimes it's just about finding a good burger. Outdoor restaurant, rainy season, bug spray. Important.
So BETO'S just reopened and we're really excited. We haven't been there yet, and we are going to take the license plates from the car that we just bought and see if they'll hang them on the wall.
The old license plates.
The old license plates, yeah, and obviously not the new ones. Why would I do that?
Yeah. People like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You're with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it goes up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright.
My gosh, they have really expanded. I mean, this is really cool.
It's double the size.
It is, and it's Friday night, and they're doing karaoke, so we're like trying to film clips in between songs.
And they've got like tons more stuff. They got like the Costco dog and like Mex Burger. They got all kinds of new burgers and wings.
We're gonna try some of those.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just burgers, but now it's a lot of stuff. It's like regular bar and grill.
Yeah, it's like a 1950s diner or burger shack. It's great.
I feel like I'm in the middle of like Louisiana or like, you know, the South, like an old shack. Okay, music started, gotta stop.
The good life, the good life. Let's go and live the good life, the good life, the good life. Come with me, come with me, come with me.
So the boneless wings, we've ordered boneless wings from several different places over the months. These are by far the best. Yeah.
Well, they're gone.
They're gone. Oh yeah.
Oh, tornado bugs. Tornado bugs.
Keep your mouth closed.
Tornado bugs. Oh, there's so many more. There's so many more. Jeez. Wow. Well, that's the dangers of rainy season in Ajijic. Well, we're just leaving BETO'S here in Ajijic, and I will tell you what, that was delicious. They have
fun.
Yeah, and they have expanded. And we went on a Friday night. It was karaoke night. We didn't even know it. How have we missed that? But we had. Thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome.
You witnessed it, folks.
I do it all the time.
Yes, you do. But we were pleasantly surprised that, I mean, it was like professional. There was like professionals in there singing. It was amazing. And they've doubled the size of the restaurant. They've doubled the menu. There's so many more things on there now. Their boneless wings are wonderful, comparatively to others we've had here. And we had a really nice time and met some lovely people, and we were recognized. That happens a lot lately.
We met some cool people.
More bugs. Sorry, they're like gnats.
We met some really cool people who saw our Mexican relocation guide video, and it gave them the confidence to build their home here. So
To pull the trigger.
yeah, it was great meeting y'all. I know you're going to see this video, so it was really great to meet you guys.
I hope I didn't lead them astray. A dog. The perils of Mexico. Look at this. Razor wire. Gotta be careful. And I haven't even been drinking, and I'm having a good time. This is awesome. Okay, I had one. Anyway.
We had to.
Dos cervezas. But that was a while ago. I had a Diet Coke.
Yeah, that's true.
So, Well, it was really, really good, and we're so happy for Beto and Beto's staff. That was delicious, and they've really, really improved the restaurant and the menu over what was already delicious. So that's all I gotta say about that. So we're back, and we're sitting on the back terrazza and just thinking about the wonderful meal we just had. I'm not making any of this stuff up, by the way. You know, sometimes you just want to tell people where something good is, and that's where this is. So KJ is sitting beside me here.
So I had the same thing that I usually get there, which is a double cheeseburger. I wanted to see if it was the same quality. And you know what? It is the same amazing BETO'S burger that we've all grown to love. So, but we also added the boneless chicken wings, buffalo. That's a new menu item. They're the best buffalo or boneless buffalo wings I've had anywhere in Ajijic. They're great.
So I also had a double bacon cheeseburger, which was really good. One important thing to note is that there's the smash burgers. So it's kind of that, that flat old grill, old not five and dime.
It's like an In-N-Out burger.
Yeah. It's kind of like an In-N-Out burger or an old Steak and Shake burger, but they're really, really good. I got onion rings. They're nice battered onion rings. They're very good. Some of the better ones in town, I think. We also, I would agree with KJ, we also got the boneless wings, and they were very good. One of the interesting things, too, is that they also have like hand-dipped milkshakes and such there. So they're very, very good. I can only have a bite or two, but KJ can have them.
Something else that's interesting is, and I don't know if they had this before, but they seem to have a full bar now. I mean, they were serving shots and mixed drinks and stuff to the table beside us.
Ah, that's a good note.
Yeah.
See, I didn't drink, so I don't know. I knew they used to have beer, but it was kind of like whatever will fit in the cooler. Now it seems like they have more stuff, more staff. The restaurant's double the size, more space to eat. It's very rustic, and the service was outstanding, just
as
perfect
always.
As always. So kudos to our waitresses. You know who you are. You did a great job. We always enjoy your company, and you do a great job there. And Beto, thank you for the amazing burgers, a little taste of what we would call a taste of home. But also, overall, a really fun environment and a nice, welcoming environment. So if you're in Ajijic, Mexico, look up Beto's Snack Shack, link down below, and enjoy your burger. And
we just wanted to say best of luck, Beto. The improvements you made are absolutely phenomenal. We're very happy, and we'll be coming back as often as we used to.
You know that's true. All right, if y'all haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life.
The good life, the good life. Let's go and live the good life, the good life, the good life. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me, come